Hey guys, this is Maji from Maji Toots. Today we will talk about Ezoic Earnings. If you would like to join the ad platform Ezoic, then this is the time to find out how much money you can actually earn with the help of that platform. I have been using Ezoic for a little bit over a year now, and I must say that the results have been very encouraging. Before that, I just used Google Adsense, and actually, I just really earned pennies with AdSense. Once I changed to Ezoic, my income increased drastically, and also I was able to implement my AdSense ads inside of Ezoic. I would now like to show you guys exactly what I earned with Ezoic, and also I want to show you a screenshot about my earnings earlier on with Google Adsense, and you will see that there is a big difference in earnings. With Google Adsense I was only able to earn about $100 to $150 a month. The earnings here in this screenshot are in Swiss francs because I'm Swiss, so I will get those stats in Swiss francs rather than US dollars. But that's not really much of a problem because at the moment $1 corresponds more or less to 1 Swiss franc. At this time, while just using Google AdSense, I created a lot of content and I invested a lot of time in my work. However, I just got really discouraged because the earnings were really far too low for my expectations. So I was searching for some new ad networks out there. And that's how I finally stumbled upon Ezoic. Let me now show you my daily earnings with Ezoic. This is a screenshot straight out of my Ezoic account. You can see here that at the moment every day I earn about $40 to almost $60 a day. And during summer this was actually even better. It was about $55 to $75 because there is quite a lot of seasonality in my niche, so I will generally get more traffic in summer. Now on this screenshot here you can see the earnings for every single month. You will be able to see that almost every month I was able to earn more money. Up to about October, because that's when my traffic dropped because of the seasonality. So the question now is obviously, why did I earn more every single month? Is it just because I used Ezoic, or did I maybe just create much more content and got better rankings like this? To be honest, it's really a mix between those two things. First of all, yeah, I did create more content, so I had more content online and that drove more traffic over the time. However, since I'm with Ezoic, the cool thing is that Ezoic is based on artificial intelligence. That means that after using Ezoic for some time, your earnings will increase because the system is learning the best ad combinations and will serve different ads to different people. So depending on the habits of the users that are actually browsing your website, Ezoic is going to serve different ads in different ad positions and also different ad sizes. And the algorithm obviously needs to figure out the best ad combinations on your website. So that means when you first set up Ezoic, your earnings are still gonna be a little bit lower, but each and every day Ezoic will update the algorithm and will serve better ads. So after a few months, when everything is optimized perfectly, you will be able to earn more every day. One really cool thing about Ezoic is that you will get really nice statistics with your earnings. So if you use big data analytics from Ezoic, you will be able to see exactly how much you earn per landing page. And that is a very valuable tool because it will allow you to create new content based on content that has been very profitable for you. For every landing page, you will get some really useful metrics like EPMV, for example. EPMV will show you how much you earn for every 1,000 visitors. So let's say your EPMV for one landing page is $20, but for another one just $5. So in the future you want to focus on content where you can get $20 for every 1,000 visitors rather than just $5. Like this, it will be very easy to decide on new content that makes sense for you and your business. Other ad networks either don't provide this kind of information, or it will be much more difficult to find out, because you will have to calculate these things probably manually, or you will need to link different accounts to get these kind of insights. In Ezoic, all this is automatic, and once you subscribed for Ezoic, you can simply go to Big Data Analytics to grab all this data. So to be honest guys, if you are just using Google Adsense, you're really missing out on a lot of revenue. Because joining Ezoic is foremost extremely easy and there are literally no disadvantages. You can simply join Ezoic. There is not going to be a contract that is bothering you and forces you to stay with Ezoic. You can just simply try it out and see if your earnings are increasing or not. Moreover, you can implement your Google AdSense ads inside of the Ezoic platform, and then you will be able to split test results. You can say that only 50% of your traffic should go to the new page with the Ezoic ad platform set up and ads served by Ezoic, and the rest of the traffic will go to your old setup that just serves ads through Google AdSense. Like this, you can very easily test those two setups, and you can see if you earn more money just by using Google AdSense or by using Ezoic. And most probably you will find out that with the help of Ezoic you can just earn much more money. And if not, you can just deactivate Ezoic and just use Google AdSense just like before. There is no contract, nothing to worry about. You can just stop it and leave everything as it was before. There is one thing you need to keep in mind, and that is that Ezoic is actually an official Google partner. So that also means that if you want to join Ezoic, you need to have an approved Google AdSense account. But if you're coming from Google AdSense, then obviously that is already a given thing. But if you don't have any ads on your website yet, then you would first have to get approved with Google AdSense, and only then you could join Ezoic. But to put it plain and simple guys, if you're just using Google AdSense, there is a high chance that you're missing out on a lot of money. Joining Ezoic will be very profitable for most of you guys. And in most cases, it's just really a no-brainer. So if you would like to join Ezoic, you will find the link to Ezoic in the description of this video. The registration process is very simple and also pretty fast. And one very cool thing here to mention is that Ezoic also accepts websites that are not written in English. And that is an extremely nice thing to know, because many other high quality networks will actually not approve websites that are written in another language than English. But with Ezoic there are good chances that you will get approved, even if your website is in, like, let's say German, French or Italian. Give Ezoic a try guys, you definitely won't regret it. And I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell. I wish you guys a great day and talk to you later. Bye guys.